My name is Donna Brogan, and I would like to tell you a little bit about a website that I have been honored to be a part of called thatmlmbeat.com. It's a blog where network marketers blog. It is the #1 blog and social tribe for professional network marketers. You can add an existing blog to the site and get more traffic. You can create a new custom blog in just seconds, or you can just get social. This is all free. It is a perfect website for personal branding. George Faree is the creator and has been so supportive and helpful in getting me discovered. He is knowledgeable, and if at any time you need help, just send him an email and he'll get back to you quickly. I am an internet marketer working in the field of health and wellness. I love social media and hope to coach in the personal development field soon. This has been a great opportunity for me to be able to post my blog on thatmlmbeat.com. Please check it out. You won't be disappointed. If you are interested, feel free to check out my blog at www.donnalbrogan.com and leave me a comment, retweet, or join my Google Friends site. All three things will be welcomed. Thanks for joining me, and have a great day.